Hey, happy Tuesday. Don here from Super Blast. Getting a little late of a start today. Had to go to the old dentist. Alright, if you're just getting started out and you have a 4-gallon-a-minute machine, you'll probably see this. This is a downstream injector. Mine is a 2.3 orifice. Put that on there, then I have it roped up to the SH tank right down there in the golden sauce. I like this reach, huh? Alright, once you get that done, we got 150 feet peeled off today. You plug in, ready to go to work. Okay, this is a new setup. This is stainless steel M5 twist. You can shoot really far with this, up to 3-story buildings tall, and you get a really wide soap application. These are all rinse tips. This turns the soap on. These 3 turn it off. We got a 0015 wash jet tip, a 1515 narrow, wide sort of tip. This is a 4015 wide rinse tip. Alright, soap off, soap on. We got a pool cage today. Let's get the machine fired up. We're going to run at about 50%. And we got some algae back here. It's not too bad. We'll be right back to get after it. Okay, there's not much to this one. We're going to do the outside. This side over here is a little dull, so we'll hit it and we'll start in the back over here. You can see how it's a little dingy at the top. In case you can't see it from there, see it from here. See what I mean up there? We'll just hit it lightly with some SH and then we'll rinse it off. Then we'll head inside where most of the algae is. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, I was able to hit this outside because of these bushes with the wash jet tip. I'll give you a little demonstration before we go inside. So you can easily hit stuff and blast it from a distance. Just as simple as that. Let's go in for a review of the inside and then we'll SH it all down and get after it, baby. Okay, instead of trying to drag it around the furniture, you just walk right past everything. See that? And you can just walk right in because the door is angled that way. Come on in here and have a look around. We've done this one before. It's been about a year and a half. But basically you have all this algae and stuff like that up here. You have it up there on those beams. You can see it across over there. All right, get all that cleaned up here. Let's get after it. Okay, the Allman Brothers Band. Alright, let's look at everything. All the algae's gone off of all the beams. Everything is all cleaned up real nice. Now you see how I put that SH in the screen sideways? See how that screen's just all filled with soap? You let it sit there for a little bit and dwell. And all the dirt and dust and mold that was in the screen is going to be eaten up alive while you're cleaning all this other stuff up out here. And we're going to clean that little patio deck that's out there too. Just rinse it off real good. And we're almost done. Let's get after it. right, that's going to be a wrap. Everything's nice and clean. Didn't even hurt the little lizard dude, huh, bud? Wouldn't hurt a fly, you know, as long as you can help it. Everything looks good. All the algae's gone. All right, now we got to go do a mobile home wash. That'll be it for today. Pretty easy stuff, huh? All right, let's get after it. All right, here we are. Job number 2. This is a regular customer. Matter of fact, it's the guy who works in Dade City at the fire department. That's how I met the young man. He just has some mild mold around here. He does it every year. Now that he's on the program. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to SH starting right here. Going to get all this concrete SH because it doesn't need any mini mondoing back here. It's going to need it over here though. We'll run it up and down that. That's got algae in the back. Always gets worse back there. So we're going to SH all this, then we're going to head to this fire pit out here. SH all that, get the weeds out of the cracks. Get it nice and cleaned up. And we'll put this hose over the fence so we can just walk back there, then walk that way. SH all the way down around, rinse it all the way back to here. Get the mini Mondu, get all this done. Then we'll go around the front, SH all the way down to the back, whatever we can't finish back there. Then we'll reel right on back to the truck, pull on out of here, and go home. Pretty good process, huh? All right, we're gonna get started right here, and we'll be right back. Let's get after it. All right, let's do a little live stuff, huh? The MP5 will turn to soap on. There it is. Simple stuff, huh? Now we're gonna do that fire pit out here and get after it. All right, everything's SH. The whole house is SH. 3/4 of it's done. The fire pit came out really nice. Got all the weeds up off the pavers, cleaned them all off. Like I said, it's really not that bad. Keeps up on it. I remember the first time I did it, it was a mess. You just bought it. See how the back's nice and cleaned up? All right, now Now what we're going to do is mini Mondu and then rinse everything off. So everything's going to look perfect and clean again. All right, let's get after it.
Baby, do you wanna go? If you can't make it, baby, your sister Lucille said you wanna go. But I sure will take it.
Alright, take a look at that monster, huh? Looks great. Everything's clean. Concrete's clean, all rinsed off. We just got a couple tough spots right along here. See that algae right there? Right there, those little dots. We'll get those off of there. Get the pump up to take care of the situation. Alright, now we're going to come out here and we are going to mini Mondu everything. Because you can see it's way lighter right here. It'll make it a couple shades lighter for sure. You always do a good job and give your client the money's worth, all right? I'm gonna move this down here, drag this black hose down, get everything out of the way. Then we're gonna get after it. Mini Mondu all that stuff down there. This side of the house is done. All we gotta do is SH this front. Get all this concrete down, all right? Then we'll be done for the day. You know what to do, right? There's only one thing to do. Get after it, silly fool. Hey, that's gonna wrap up the day, man. Look how nice it came out. All the concrete looks nice and new. The mobile looks nice. The wooden stairs are good. Ah, the scarecrow. Look out. If I only had a brain, if I was only thinking, I'd be a hammered Lincoln. If I only had a brain. All right, let's take a final look. Sidewalks look fantastic. I don't want to walk through the mud on my clean job, but everything looks really good. Always make sure you do the concrete, pre-treat it and post-treat it, and then it looks really nice. Fire pit looks good. Whole place came out really nice. The guy will be happy. And this is my 4th time out here since I cleaned the fire department. I've cleaned the fire department twice, to this place here 4 times. So they clean the fire department about every couple of years or so. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, have a good evening. Hope you enjoyed the video, and always get after it.